If you're a heat and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, what do you need to know about price conditioning on payments throughout a sales call? And why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Bell, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and business and a fantastic day to talk about you. Okay, so here's the thing. Sometimes when you meet with a buyer or client, you really got to get them comfortable with pricing. Hence the word price conditioning. You get them used to hearing about what it's going to be. And sometimes salespeople make the mistake of holding back all the way till the end of here, how much is it going to be? Here's what to expect. One of the easiest things to do is to price condition on payments. And I will share with you, after managing a sales team, being in the industry as long as I have and being around the industry, somewhere around 80 or 90% of people finance their jobs, even if they say they're going to pay cash. Because here's the thing. Sometimes people think that a heating and air unit is going to be $5,000. In all realities, it could be 15. I'm using California numbers. If you use something else, simmer down. So you may meet with somebody, and if they think that that system that they're going to purchase is going to be $5,000, and in all realities it's 15, you need to be able to bridge that gap. And so there are companies out there, believe it or not, in this day and age that do not offer easy payment plans, which boggles my mind. They're either cash only or credit card only. They don't have some sort of outside source to facilitate payment. Right? There's quite a few companies out there. I got friends that work at all of them. And at the end of the day, it's a company. Some of them are really good. Some of them, Okay. So let's talk price conditioning. I got my $12 whiteboard. So it's 9 o'clock in the morning. And 10 minutes in, you could start talking about payments. Hey, systems can be as low as $150 a month. Placeholder number. Change it as you need. Right? And so people will say, hey, well, which system is that for? Like, I don't know which system you're going to choose, but this is where the starting point is. Now, I got to give where great responsibility is. You got to do the right thing. Please don't make anything up. Please don't lie. And you don't have to sell the most expensive unit. There's a lot of times where a basic unit will do just fine for somebody who doesn't use electricity. I'll give you my example. I live by myself, basic house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, nothing super huge. I don't really use my air conditioner. So do I need a 28 SEER 2 unit? No, I probably just need a basic unit. Now, in the wintertime, I hate being cold. So I have a ridiculous furnace. In that case, it's perfectly fine, right? So sometimes people say, well, you have to buy the one with all the bells and whistles. It's not true. Do the right thing for your client. It'll go really far. And this right here is why you should join HVACTechSecrets.com. I'll give you the goods. Not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel, which means private coaching, private training, discounted coaching, discounted training. It's an email publication. You'll love it. So you can move on into like the middle of the call and say, hey, there are some systems out there that could be as much as $200 a month. And then towards the end, you can get to the end and say, there's some systems, right? There's some systems that could be $300 a month. But here's the thing. Price conditioning says that you're talking about this more than once. You're saying, hey, if you want to use an easy payment plan, hey, we have 12 months deferred interest. Hey, we have the capability of helping you out. We've got ways that you don't have to come up with cash out of pocket. We've got ways for you to wait 30 days before even making your first payment. Payments can start as low as, and it's super important for you to know these numbers through your vendor. Like, I have a friend, Mitch, and when I started working with Mitch probably 10 years ago, Mitch was able to say on plan 1209, it is, for every $10,000 borrowed, it is $11 a month. And the dude could rattle these numbers off the top of his head. It's like he sat around at night and his wife was doing karaoke and he was memorizing numbers. I don't know what he did, but I'm just giving you an example. If you're going to price condition payment, that is a fantastic way for you to start the conversation and talk about, here is an opportunity. You don't have to, but it makes it really easy. And systems or roofs or plumbing can start as low as $150 a month, $160 a month. But you can progress that number throughout the line. And if you're a homeowner, like, evil salesperson, I literally train salespeople. Don't complain to me. I'm the wrong dude. I don't care. I'll literally tell you, I don't care. Start 10-ish minutes in. You don't have to like kick down the door and be like, hey, we got easy payment plans. You want to wait a couple of minutes. You want to get some rapport. You want to have some conversations. And there might be a little bit of like, hey, this would be my word track that I would use. I don't know which system you're going to choose, but to make everybody comfortable, systems can start as low as $150 a month. Placeholder number, modify as needed. Be aware that it does help people when you do have some sort of scale that in their mind, they have a place to work from. You got one of three things to do from here, just one of three. find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, you know what you got to do. Share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.